If you've been writing blog posts by hand, doing keyword research in spreadsheets, and manually checking your site for technical errors, I need to show you something that's going to change how you do SEO forever. It's called Claude Code. Claude Code is a command line tool built by Anthropic that lets you talk to AI directly from your computer's terminal. You tell it what you want done in plain English, and it writes the code, runs it, and gives you the results. For SEO, this is a game changer. It can write articles, run full site audits, analyze your Google Search Console data, fix technical issues, and build reports in minutes instead of hours. But before we get into all of that, I want to put something on your radar. The two things that actually move your rankings are content and backlinks. Claude Code can help with the content side, but it doesn't build backlinks for you. That's where backlink management comes in. It's a platform that automatically builds high-authority backlinks and publishes SEO content to your site every day. Think of Claude Code as your technical SEO assistant and backlink management as your off-page growth engine. I'll show you backlink management later in the video. Let's get into what Claude Code can actually do. Let's start with how most people write SEO content right now. You open a Google Doc or Word file. You do some keyword research. You look at what's ranking on page 1. Then you spend 2 to 4 hours writing an article from scratch. If you're a business owner doing this yourself, that's half your day gone on one blog post. If you're paying a writer, that's $100 to $300 per article depending on the length and quality. Now here's what Claude Code does. You open your terminal, type Claude, and give it a command in plain English. Something like, research the top 10 ranking pages for the keyword best CRM software, analyze their structure, and write a 2,000-word article that covers every topic they cover, plus 3 topics they missed. Claude Code goes to work. It pulls data from your connected tools, it analyzes the competition, it writes a full draft with proper headings, keyword placement, internal link suggestions, and meta descriptions. What used to take you 4 hours now takes about 15 minutes. And the output isn't generic AI fluff. If you set up a guidelines file, Claude Code learns your brand voice, your writing style, and your formatting preferences. Every article it writes after that follows your rules automatically. No more pasting the same instructions into ChatGPT over and over. Now let's talk about the technical SEO side, because this is where Claude Code really shines. Most business owners never touch technical SEO because it feels too complicated. But with Claude Code, you don't need to know how to code. You just describe the problem in plain English. You can say, crawl my website and find every broken link. And Claude Code will write a Python script, run it, and hand you a list of every broken URL on your site. The same task would take a developer hours. Claude Code does it in minutes. You can say, look at my Google Search Console data and find pages with high impressions but low click-through rates. Those are your quick win opportunities. Pages that Google is already showing the people but nobody's clicking on. Fix those title tags and meta descriptions, and you get more traffic without writing a single new page. You can even tell Claude Code to generate schema markup for your pages. Product schema, FAQ schema, local business schema. It writes the code and you just paste it into your site. All of this used to require hiring a developer or an SEO agency. Now it's you and a terminal window. Here's another powerful use case. You can connect Claude Code to Ahrefs or SEMrush through something called MCP servers. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Once connected, you can ask Claude Code things like, pull my top 50 keywords from Ahrefs and compare them to my top 3 competitors. It reaches into the tool, pulls the data, analyzes it, and gives you a strategy. Or you can say, find all pages on my site that are cannibalizing each other for the same keyword. That's a problem most businesses don't even know they have. 2 pages competing for the same term actually hurts both of them. Claude Code finds it in seconds. The point is that Claude Code turns you into a one-person SEO team. You don't need a developer for technical fixes. You don't need a data analyst for Search Console reports. You don't need a content strategist for keyword mapping. But here's the thing Claude Code can't do. It can't build backlinks. It can write content. It can audit your site. It can fix technical issues. It can analyze data, but it cannot go out and get other websites to link to yours. And backlinks are still one of the strongest ranking factors in 2026. A study of 12 million search results found that the #1 result has 3.8 times more backlinks than positions 2 through 10. You can have the most technically perfect website with the best content in the world. If nobody's linking to it, you're going to get outranked by someone who has those links. That's why I want to show you backlink management on screen right now. This is the platform that handles what Claude Code can't. It builds high authority backlinks to your site automatically. Real directories, real niche publications, real high traffic sites that pass genuine link equity. Every new backlink is a new referring domain. Every new referring domain pushes your domain authority higher. And as your authority grows, all that content you're creating with Claude Code starts ranking faster and for harder keywords. On top of the backlinks, the platform publishes SEO optimized content to your site daily. So even if you're using Claude Code for some of your articles, Backlink management keeps your content engine running every single day without you lifting a finger. Claude Code handles the technical side. Backlink management handles the growth side. Together, they cover every part of SEO. Link is in the description. Here's the bottom line. If you're still doing SEO the manual way in 2026, you're leaving time and money on the table. Claude Code gives you the power to do technical SEO, content writing, and data analysis faster than you ever thought possible. And backlink management fills the gap that no AI tool can fill on its own, which is building real backlinks from real websites. Use both. Your rankings will thank you. Link is in the description. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.